Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Tesla stock, guys, and not just that, because it's time to get ready, as Elon has been saying that his package is approved. Well, as for the data and the charts that he has shared on Twitter or X, he has shown that the votes are passing with a wide margin in his favor, and that's a great news. And we are seeing that price action already in the chart reflecting that. So we'll go over that in this video, but I think that is 4:30 Eastern time is when the conference meeting would happen, and I think it will be also live streamed on YouTube. You might have to search on YouTube, and but yeah, so let's get ready, because this definitely would bring in not just the volatility in the stock price, but also as for the price action, what I'm seeing. There's just a lot of room that Tesla now, where it is sitting right now. Yes, there's a red candle, but as we'll go through this video, I'll soon explain that why this red candle, at least for right now, doesn't worry me. So because the structure is full on bullish right now on Tesla stock price. So because, well, a lot of things. All right, before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, and it's only for education purposes. So, well, to start off with, I just want to show you my day trading bot as well first. So yes, Tesla has a red candle today, but my day trading bot was still able to make money. We got two trades on this today. Net profitable, you can see the data on the left hand side. One we got up here, and then one we got at the bottom here. Both came out profitable. But yeah, anyways, yeah, data is on the left side. And then also on the swing bot, we have been taking, my bot has been giving partial profits and on Tesla. And so if I go over there, you can see this last position that was opened yesterday on Tesla. It is currently in open P&L of profit as well, and partial take profits are also coming in profits, and we are also last 30 trades net profitable. And you guys, Tesla has been going down, right, overall in that channel. So bot though still is net profitable. So once we are in full bullish, I'm expecting more from the swing bot here. But anyways, there's guarantee of nothing, and I'm just sharing my opinion here, and the data tells you everything. You can just take a look at the tables on the day trading bot and the swing bot. And if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. Both of them are net profitable. All right, so yeah. Anyways, let's go back to the daily chart and let's start off there. Oh, well, yeah, before that, actually, I want to go over this article real quick. It's pretty much just summarizes what I just said. It just says that Elon Musk has shared on, the X, the chart. It has been validated by tally. It has been tallied by a person. So someone there in the headquarters. So, but 4:30 p.m. Eastern time will be the results that will be announced. So definitely be prepared, right? And when I say be prepared, so let's take a look at technicals. So what is the good thing I'm seeing first of all today? We are finally out of that lower trending channel, guys. We are out of that. We are out of that supply zone that was so stubborn supply zone at $180 for more than a month. We are finally out of that as well. And we are above that channel. The drops have been also bought back up on this. It's at 184.29 cents. The reason I'm not worried about this red candle is because when we have these gap ups, right, there are a lot of orders sitting here. Let me actually take it to the hourly interval. Things will make much more sense there as I explain. So what happened? Tesla gapped up, right? You can see there's a huge gap here, right? And many many people who would have placed their order, or who, big hedge funds, they want to fill their orders over here. It all got missed, right? And that's why we have these gap fills, because price comes lower after these gap ups to fill those orders. But that doesn't make it bearish full on. It's not bearish. It's still bullish because, well, first of all, the structure is bullish, right? We are in higher highs, higher lows. And also on the swing side, we are, if I take it to the daily interval, the structure is back again bullish, taking out and going above 180 has made Tesla bullish. And also we are out of that channel, and you can see we are finding now the support at that channel, the top of that channel now, because we're out of that channel. Now this opens up the doors as long as we don't dip back below in that channel. So all eyes are definitely on that meeting today. But so yeah, let's go back to the hourly interval. So here you can see that pullback. That is fine. That pullback came all the way to 20 hours moving average, and we are getting bought back up. Now it's important that we continue higher from here. We don't want to break below 182 and 70 cents now. We want to continue higher. That's very important to see in Tesla's price action. Take out this previous red candle and then reach at least the next level, that is 186 and 91 cents. As I said, price action is still bullish on Tesla right now, and we don't want to break below 182. We don't want to close below 182 today. And let's see what the meeting brings, because if meeting can bring some more, spike to the upside, that's going to be awesome. Remember, it's in the post market, so in post market, volatility is always out of control because spread is very high, and you just need very less volume to move the price. And so yeah, now so yeah, guys, yeah, right now we are still in the bullish structure. That's just a pullback right now happening, and I am still optimistic about, all in all, now Tesla, that finally we will be heading higher. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval again, and I just want to show you a couple of things on that area. So yeah, this $186 level is what, if we can get out of it, let's say Elon's shareholder meeting start happening and we get out of 186 and above, that's just awesome, guys. I mean, I'm waiting to see what's going to happen in the post market. And yeah, so yeah, that dip is fine for the day. We just don't want to break and close below 182. That's something we should not do. We shouldn't do. It's just a week. That just shows that, okay, well, catalyst is over, and but the stock is still being hammered. That's the problem. Then we need to stay in this bullish structure. All right. So yeah, that's that, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, I want to actually show you the weekly interval as well. One more video I'll do on Tesla, guys, later today, but that will be after the meeting has happened and that call and conference call, everything, whatever shareholder meeting has to happen. Once that is completed, and then I'll talk about another Tesla video. So yeah, it's even this week, that is tomorrow is Friday, even if this week we close above this channel, that's a good win, because this channel, guys, on the weekly interval has been paying since when? Once we started to form this channel, right? Last year, July. And then, yeah, you can see this has been a, for more than a year, almost close to a year. So finally, looks like after a year, we are again getting out of it. So yeah, this is not bad, guys. So yeah, anyways, let's see what happens in the post market. Really excited to see that. We have on the weekly interval that inverted head and shoulder pattern in formation as well. So this is what I have been saying, that as long as we don't break below this green on the weekly interval, this is a good inverted head and shoulder pattern on Tesla price, so stock price. So all in all, looks great, guys. Looks great. All right, that's all for this video. If you need access to my tools that you just saw in this video, links to my tools are in the description below. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.